beef or?
It's chili.
Chili con carne.
Yes.
Ah, okay, oui. So we've got some cider, and these are some of the magical things as a traveller. You get to meet some lovely hosts at Airbnbs. And there's my favourite cat. He won't leave me alone. Hello, putty cat. Mwah. So yeah, we're gonna eat some food, chill out by the beautiful backyard here, and the sun's coming down very shortly. So bonjour, welcome to day number 11 of Windstone Media's Tour de France. I'm just in here at a bike shop, about to pick up a Garmin because I've been using the Strava on my phone, and it's not only dangerous because I've got to constantly stop and look and put it in my bum bag, but it's costing me time and energy and frustration. So I'm about to purchase this Garmin Edge Explore. So we're going to purchase this. It's €229 as you can see, which is about 300 Australian dollars. But this will help me navigate and be quicker on the road, and it's not going to be as frustrating. So sometimes you've got to outlay the money to do it safely and soundly. And look, we're going to get into day number 11. Okay, after an hour of wheeling and dealing, we've got the Garmin. Okay, that's going to get me to the next destination. We've got the bike bag. That's going to make my life a hell of a lot easier. And I met young man Alexander. How you going, mate?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Oh, good. And thanks for translating, because or else we would have been here all day. So thanks for your help. And you've actually been to Australia as well?
Yeah.
Okay.
In Sydney.
When did you go to Australia? What year?
In 2018.
18. And your thoughts on Australia? Did you enjoy?
Yeah, I enjoy it. Yeah.
Cool, man. Well,
it was really nice.
Very nice, man. I'm glad to hear that. Well, look, I'm going to continue my cycling. Pleasure to meet you, Alexander, and God bless, and thanks for helping me out here today.
Nice to meet you too.
You too, man.
Thank you.
Like all good cyclists, we need a bit of Arabica beans, and they've just served me a coffee. So you spend €300, you get one free coffee. And cheers again, man. Cheers.
Cheers.
Santé.
Santé.
First little stop of the day, and we find ourselves in the little town of Prière de Drevant. Beautiful little church, sun absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, not a bad little town. So you find these little towns all over the south of France, and that Garmin is certainly a lifesaver. And also the little bike packing bag, which I bought for €60, has come in handy. I've got my water in there, got my phone, easy access, a lot easier than trying to get to my bag and like look at my phone for directions. So look, we'll continue the journey. The road unknown, let's absolutely smash it. We're going to try the vanilla slice. And okay, so we just pulled up in a random town. I don't even know where I am, but I've met a lady by the name of Marina. Lovely to meet you. Maybe you can tell us, where are we right now? What location? The town.
The name is Épineuil-le-Fleuriel.
Oui.
Which is a little village right in the center of France.
We literally are in the center of France right now.
Yes.
Dead center right now. So that's
yes.
really cool. And so we've got, this is vanilla slice.
Yes, it's called religieuse.
Religious.
Yes.
Okay, so religious vanille. So we got the wheat, and then just cafe latte. So look, I'm gonna try these, and we'll see how we go. But bonjour to everybody.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Hello. Interesting start. Let's try this second one. Look at that custard in the middle. 4 out of 5.
In English, religieuse in French. Religieuse.
Oh, religious, yeah.
It's a Catholic nun.
Oh, it's a Catholic nun. There you go.
In religieuse, le mot, the word religieuse.
I understand.
Mean it's a woman.
Yes.
For Catholic nun.
Nun.
And it's funny, it's the same name for her cake.
Okay. The word religious in French means, in English, a religious nun. So we're eating a religious nun right now. There we go.
Is it good?
Good.
Is it good, Nan?
Very good.
Good
The custard, oh my god.
Bon, faudra faire un effort pour le ménage, oui.
Administratif, tout ça.
Bon appetit. So that wraps up my little coffee and little cake there. I know it's not the greatest nutrition for cycling, but you know what? I'm on an adventure, and that's what it's all about. Trying new things, meeting new people. And we're going to start heading south. So we're going to go down here to the left. There's a beautiful another little church there. Got the Garmin on charge, and away we go.
Louis?
Louis, lovely to meet you. Robert.
Okay.
Oui.
Nice to meet you.
Cool. So yeah, just a bit of grease, man, in the
So
just
oil or W40?
either one.
Don't do it. Don't do it on the because the baker man.
Yep.
Is,
Okay, we'll do it over
be
here.
very, very angry.
Aha.
Ça va glisser sur le...
We'll do it over here. Okay, so we're going to just put some oil to make sure the gears are running beautifully.
Yes. So
Perfect. Ah, look at that.
it's better. The noise.
Already.
Great.
It's a good bike. Perfect. Louis, thank you so much for your help. I'm going to keep going towards Nice, and lovely to meet this beautiful family.
Yes. So have a nice trip.
I will. Thank you so much. Au revoir. Welcome to the quiet little town of Dravant. As you can see, there's my beautiful giant bike. Loving it. Got the bike bag, becoming more pro every day. Got the Garmin. Got my bandana from Vietnam. And I found this cute little church. So we've been filming a lot of churches, but we haven't actually gone in and checked it out. So we're here now in Dravant, so it's open. So let's go have a look. Wow. Kind of eerie being in here by myself. Just look at these, the French chandeliers. They're just old, but they're beautiful. The glass pane windows, have a look at this. Kind of scary, there's people in here. Gotta be quiet. Jesus. Amazing. The glass pane windows are just sensational. Anyway, I think we should get out of here before I burn the joint down. That's a joke, by the way. Don't take offence. I'm only joking. Amazing. You know, it's amazing when you're cycling in the centre of France. You see these beautiful animals. They kind of just look at you just like you're a complete fuckwit. What do you want, human? But they are quite spectacular to look at. So whoever's grazing these cows doing quite a good job. So fair play to the owner of this paddock. And yeah, we're smack bang in the centre of France as we currently speak. So feeling good, but I think the PB won't happen today, just based on the fact that I need to get my shit together as far as like learning maps, uploading maps, getting used to the Garmin, packing slightly better. But overall, I'm learning every single day. So for a complete novice amateur cyclist doing his first bike packing adventure, it's amazing what you learn and the frustrations and everything that goes along with cycling across a long distance. So look, let's just keep on going forward, and we'll just see how we go as the day goes on, but yeah, so far so good. And I'll tell you what, that religious vanilla slice was to die for. Okay, so we are about 38, 40 kilometers into the cycle, just on this lovely bend here at the last Chapelode, and we've got 12 k's to go into the next main town. So I'm going to go in that direction, and we'll see. I don't know, it's been a big stuff up today because I've had the Garmin die on me twice. I'm gonna have to, like, obviously read the user manual overnight and get used to it. So yeah, my Strava activity is sort of, I don't know exactly where it is, but that's okay. That's okay because I'm breathing fresh air. There's not many cars around. It's beautiful weather, around like 18. All right, nice little bit of sun over my shoulders as well. And I've got this bike, and we've got the DW40, which is coming handy because there's been quite a few hills today. So continue the journey, and away we go. And welcome to Montluçon in Centerville here, and we have covered about 50 kilometers today. So I'm going to find a little cafe, do some editing on a video, grab a drink. Yeah, it's only 3 p.m, so I can pull up here for the day, or I might keep going south, but we'll wait and see. But yeah, quite a beautiful little town. Hello! Santé! Just meeting some local Frenchies, and yeah, no, they're looking after me. They're giving me cigarettes, and they're talking to me, and that's quite good when I've been on the road for such a long period of time. So got the bike here, got the froth here. Life is pretty good. Saturday afternoon, I think it's the 10th or the 11th. I don't even know, and everyone's laughing at me. Okay. Very sexy lighting as I come through. Blue, aluminum, 110. All right, lads, time for a fucking shower, lads. Time for a shower. Here at the original boutique hotel, so pretty hungry. Just had a shower, as you've just seen, and I'm off to go get a kebab. But before we do that, we're gonna go across the road to the tobacco. We're gonna get a pack of darts, 10 euro for our health. Have a look at beautiful France. Beautiful. Sunset coming down. It's been a good day on the road. Full lad mode here. The funny thing is, I've seen these lads go around town like probably for the last 6 hours. So I've come to the other side of the bridge, and I am littered with options. I've got tacos, kebabs, and I've got 3 kebab joints within like a 10-meter vicinity, basically. So 1 kebab, 2 kebab slash tacos, 3 kebab, pizza kebab, and baguette. So which one will I go? Well, let's do this. Let's do the old school game of eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catcher, quarter, by the toe. If I eat, then let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny. Holy fuck. Mo. Okay, so we're going this one. So we're here at DESTAN Kebabs. We're going in, lads. Let's try it out. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
You good? You good, my friend?
Hey, friend.
Nice to meet you. How you going?
Yeah.
You good? You good? Okay, I need a kebab.
Kebab fait maison.
I want something like this. This kebab here.
Kebab.
Perfect. Oh, he's in a kebab as well.
This is my friend.
Your friend.
Yes.
Bonsoir. Je m'appelle Robert. Nice to meet you, friend. Nice to meet you. The pressure's on, my friend. The pressure is on.
Voilà, my friend.
Ah. Bon appetit. Merci beaucoup.
Y'a pas de problème.
Merci. Plenty of tzatziki, plenty of meat, lettuce, tomato, cheese, cooked onion. Right, let's give this bad boy a taste test. Fucking sick. About what you'd expect, you know, sort of around Brunswick, Fitzroy, Carlton areas, you know, back home in Melbourne. Seriously tasty, 5-star on Google reviews. So this joint, fucking awesome, bro. Arabic influence, I think, but fucking awesome. Cheers, lads.